How to set up your first campaign in Instantly.ai. First, log into your Instantly.ai dashboard. Once you're inside, click on the Campaigns tab in the left menu. Step 2. Now, hit the New Campaign button. Give your campaign a name, something easy to remember, like the product or service you are promoting. Step 3. Connect the email account you'll be using. Instantly allows you to add multiple emails for higher deliverability, but for now, just pick one to get started. Step 4. After that, upload your leads. You can import your CSV file with names and email addresses or manually add them one by one. Step 5. Now, it's time to create your email sequence. Instantly lets you set up multiple follow-ups, but start with a short, personalized introduction email. Keep it simple, clear, and direct. Step 6. Finally, review everything and click Start Campaign. So that's it.